This unit is all about introducing you to some of the main themes and findings on the study of fear. By no means is this going to be exhaustive or cover all of the deep details of the wide range of topics that we're going to be discussing. I mean, people spend their entire careers learning and researching just one of these areas, but that's not what we're here for. In this unit, I've curated a few of the most important topics in fear science, so you can have an easy to digest quick start. When we begin to look at fear as a whole, there isn't just one discipline of science that encompasses everything. Fear is such a fundamental aspect of being human that in order to explain and really understand it, you need to pull from things like anatomy, physiology, psychology, evolutionary biology, anthropology, and of course neuroscience. Fear is real and it is part of the human condition. The fear response is both psychological as well as physiological, but the trigger for that fear response can vary widely from immediate danger to completely imagined fears. In this course, we want to begin drawing clear lines between fact-based danger and the fictional stories we tell ourselves that get our fear engines all revved up. Because I'm all about books and I love stories, I call this factual fear, like nonfiction books, and fictional fear, the stories we've either been told or that we tell ourselves. Factual fear is the for real deal, in your face, don't walk too close to the edge of the trail because you will fall off into the canyon kind of fear. Factual fear has clear and present consequences that operate within the confines of our shared reality. Fictional fear, just like a good fairy tale, usually rooted in some kind of truth, but as a whole is a big old lie. It may be a good story, but if it's on the fiction shelf, then we need to call it as such. Both factual and fictional fear help to keep us safe, so the key is to learn how to let the energy of fictional fears be like a strong wind to move you forward instead of getting you all caught up in a big old fear storm that makes you feel trapped. Reshaping your relationship with fear is both a mindset shift as well as a skill. We are going to do all of this together in this course, but first let's examine the science behind fear and why our bodies do what they do.